If you think top creators just guess what works, you're doing it completely wrong. There are some reasons why some videos go viral and some of them flop. I'm about to show you exactly how some of the smartest creators analyze their competition. So you can copy what works, skip the mistakes and grow faster. By the end of the video, you'll have a document like this with the latest data of your competitors, best performing posts, views, likes, comments, and the best part, you can automate it daily and weekly so you know what's working. The first thing you want to go to is go to Google and type in apify.com. By the way, this video is not sponsored, it's just what I found to be the easiest way to get this done. Okay, so as you can see here on the left, I'm on Apify. What you want to do is sign up. So I've already signed up. So you want to go to console on the top right. Now you get $5 free when you sign up. So for example, on Instagram, so this is Instagram, look, this video here got 7.1 million views, and I want to know why this video did well, and I want to pull out as much information as I possibly can. I want to know how many comments it's got, I want to know how many views it's got, and me manually going through and looking at all his posts to find out which one's got the most is just going to take too much time. Let's go. Okay, so the guy I want to get his data is called 100x Engineers. So we are going to go to Apify. This is my test account. We're going to go to store, click on Instagram scraper. So on the top left hand side, click on store and then click on Instagram scraper. And over here in this first box, you're just going to type in the URL of the Instagram account that you want. So here we're going to type in Instagram. It is just the first part of this. So right click, copy, come here. Bear in mind here you could add as many as you like, but for the sake of simplicity, we're just going to go for this guy. What we want to do is we want to scrape posts. So you could do profile, reels, mentions, comments, etc. But we're going to scrape posts. I want 50 posts. You could do as many as you like. I want them from the 1st of September. So give me the last 50 posts from the 1st of September. And that is literally it. That's all you pretty much have to know and understand. And then we're going to click on start. And you're going to see exactly how much this costs. Last time I did this, so as you can see here on the left hand side, that was my $5 free. I've run it a few times, that's why you see 21 cents. But this will take maybe a minute or two to populate. Yeah, on the left hand side here as well, you can see how much memory it's using. So it's going and running this information on one of their servers, probably a cloud hosted server, and it's pulling this information. Okay, so now we can see that this information is slowly being pulled. As you can see on the top left hand side, it's pulled 25 so far. And we could see we've got the caption, how many child posts, we can see the dimension width, the display URL, what hashtags were used. So for example, none of these are using hashtags. So we can see that this influencer is not using any hashtags. The input URL, like counts, so how many likes it's got. Cool. This is exactly pretty much what I need. Here is the URL. So if I click on that as well, what happens? I can see that was the video.
Nike ad with Travis Scott.
Yeah, this guy made a Nike ad with Travis Scott. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so that's finished now. And we can see we've got total of 50 results. It took 1 minute and the price was 0.115, which is about 10 cents. So yeah, you get $5 free. Now what you want to do is you want to export this. So at the bottom here, click on export. I want an Excel document. So you could have it in different formats, but for me, Excel is the easiest. Click on download. That's going to go in and download. I'm going to go back here. Guys, if you made it this far, well done. You're on the right track. If you would like me to send you a PDF detailing the step-by-steps involved, so you could come back to it at any later point to make your life a bit easier, in the description below is a link. Submit the form and I'll send that across to you. Okay. What I'm going to do is I am going to give you a quick little trick. So copy all this first row. Okay, right click, copy. Okay, and then now we're going to open the Excel document. this is what you're going to see. As you can see, it has pulled in the information, but it's pulled in a lot more than I actually need. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this document. Okay. Minimize this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open up ChatGPT. Okay, I've got a new window of ChatGPT. We are going to attach the file that we just downloaded. I'm going to say I want the following columns only. Okay, now these are exactly what I want. Timestamp, URL, shortcode, product type, the owner ID, the owner's full name, likes, counts. We're going to let ChatGPT deal with this because we are lazy, and hopefully it will spit back out the Excel document with exactly what I want. Okay, ChatGPT spit that back out. I'm going to download it. Just open, and here we go. Now that looks much better. Let's just make this look a bit pretty. I want it to be green, bold, increase the size. Okay, so we've got caption, number of comments, dimensions, which I don't need. What else do I have? I've got the number of likes, who the owner is. I personally like this owner to be right here on the left. So I'm just going to cut and paste that here so I know who the Instagram account is. So I've got the Instagram influencers account, the captions, the comments. I also want the video view count. I want that to be on the left. Video view count. Okay. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to select the first column, click on filter. Now it's filtered. Okay, video view count. I'm going to click on this and I want to have it. Yeah, so we've got the owner, we've got the caption, we have the display URL, we have the video view count. Where's like count? There's like count. I want that likes to be here, so I'm going to paste that here. Okay, so this looks better. I've moved around some of the columns. So on the left hand side, I've got the owner. So I can see this is the Instagram influencer's name, the caption, the video view count, the like count, and all the other information that I actually found useful. So I can see this influencer, this first video is the best performing video. So I'm just gonna see he's got a lot of views, a lot of likes. I'm gonna copy this, and then I could come and find out which video actually did well, and I could start studying.
This is a college of honeybees where they are being trained to detect bombs and explosive materials. Honeybees are...
Okay, so it looks like he's making a video about honeybees, and we could analyze the hook and all the other information. So regarding cost, this only cost me 0.1. This cost 11 cents. So yeah, regarding cost, as you can see, it's very cheap. You get $5 free. You can make multiple accounts. This cost 11 cents, and I was able to get all this information really quickly. If you want to schedule this to run daily, weekly, or monthly, on the top right, click schedule. And then you can see over here that it's already scheduled. All you need to do is click the create button. But what we're going to do is choose a custom time. I want this to run at 6 p.m. every single day. And then that's it. You'll see it'll run at 6 p.m. every single day, and click create. That is scheduled now. On the left hand side, click on runs, and you will see here every single day at 6 p.m. your actor will run, and you will be able to export the Excel document. Guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please subscribe to my channel because it would encourage me to create more videos.